Curriculum Plus Audiobooks, an imprint of Curriculum Plus Publishing, presents Lost in the Blizzard, written by Nancy Wilcox Richards and narrated by Marysia Bucholc. Chapter 1. Troubles. Producer's note: there is an illustration of a flint rock and a bowl of kindling. Text. February 23rd, 1813. The house felt even colder than usual. Ice frosted the inside of the window, blocking the first weak rays of sunlight. Emma snuggled deeper under the feather puff next to her younger sister, Elizabeth. Her breath made tiny white clouds in the air. I wish it was summer, she thought for what was surely the 100th time that week. The cold seemed to settle somewhere deep inside her. Just then, she heard Ma talking to her older brother, William, in the loft above. "William! William! Wake up, boy!" Ma sounded tired. "The fire's gone out." Emma sighed. That explained why the house was so cold. Again she heard Ma trying to coax William out of bed. "'Tis strange he's not up," thought Emma. "He's always such an early riser." She eased her feet onto the wooden floor. The cold immediately seeped through her thick woolen socks. She crept over to the ladder and climbed to the loft. "Morning, Ma." Ma had a worried look on her face. She laid her hand on William's forehead. "Your brother's got a fever," she said, without taking her eyes off him. Emma peered at William. His face was flushed and sweaty. "He'll get better, won't he, Ma?" Her voice was filled with worry. She knew getting a fever was bad. Just last month, John DeLong had died. Fever claimed him, was what Pa had told the family. Producer's note: there is an illustration of William lying in bed in the loft as Ma touches his forehead and Emma looks on. Text. Emma came closer to William. He lay very still on the straw tick. "You can make him better, right, Ma?" "Hush now, child. Don't you fret. I'll make him a poultice. That'll be sure to cure what ails him." "I'm glad, Ma." Emma sighed. She hoped Ma was right. Doc Fogarty was a day's horseback ride away. That was in good weather, but today it looked like a storm was brewing. There was a
Sample complete. Ready to continue?